What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the font size in your Google Chrome browser. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Some people may find the default Google Chrome font size too small or too large, making it difficult to read the text. Others may have vision problems or accessibility needs that require them to adjust the font size to suit their needs. Fortunately, Google Chrome allows users to change the default font size across all web pages opened in the application. First, open up the Chrome browser and click on the three dots at the upper right corner of your screen to open a drop-down menu. Here, click on Settings. On the Settings page, navigate to Appearance. From here, head to the Font section and click on a small arrow next to the input field. You will see various preset options for different font styles. Choose the one that you like the best, and there you go. However, note that this font size change only applies in certain places. You will not notice any difference in the font size of third-party sites such as Steam or YouTube. This option is not ideal for users seeking a seamless experience on Chrome. To change the font size across all web pages in Google Chrome, head back to the Appearance Settings page. Here, under Font Size, click on Customize Fonts. Next to the minimum font size selection, you will see a slider. It will be at Tiny by default. However, you can drag the slider to the right to increase the minimum font size across all different sites you open in Google Chrome. Click and hold the slider to adjust it anywhere along the length where you think you have achieved the perfect minimum font style look. Your changes will be saved, and then you can enjoy Google Chrome with a personalized font size. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.